For your safety, please be sure you have viewed the first video, What is POCl?, before beginning the procedures in this video. This video will guide you through the steps to unpack your POCl bubbler safely. The installation technician must read, understand, and follow the instructions included with your bubbler. Proper personal protective equipment when handling POCl includes long sleeves, work shoes, an acid-resistant apron, chemical-resistant gloves, either latex or butyl rubber, cut gloves, a full-face air-purifying respirator, and acid gas cartridges. Your PVC-coated bubbler comes shipped in a cardboard box. Inside the box, the bubbler is packed inside a metal containment can. Polyethylene foam inserts hold the bubbler in place and can act as an absorbent material and can also absorb the shock of transportation. 2 polyethylene barrier bags also act as a means of containment. The packaging materials have been tested in accordance with UN recommendations for safe transport of dangerous goods. It's very important that you save all of the shipping components for the return shipment to Versum Materials. International shipping requirements specify that all containers be properly labeled. You must ensure that a bubbler is returned in the same type of shipping container that it was originally shipped in. In the event of product leakage or breakage of the bubbler, regardless of whether or not the bubbler PVC coating is intact, or if you have exposure or safety concerns, please call our emergency response number indicated on the safety data sheet. It's very important when you handle the bubbler that you grasp it by the sides of the bubbler, below the valve attachment to the stem, since this is inherently the strongest part of the bubbler. Never grab the bubbler by the valves because it places undue stress at the groove, which may lead to a broken stem and risk of chemical exposure. To begin, remove the tape from the box and open the box. Remove the foam insert to expose the metal can inside. If the canister is swollen, misshapen, or warped, do not open. Contact customer service. Lift the metal can from the box and set it on a chemical transport cart. Save the cardboard box and packing material for return shipment. Using the cart, transport the metal can to a ventilated fume hood. For demonstration purposes only, the following procedures will not be performed in a ventilated hood. Remove the containing ring from the top of the can. Remove the metal lid. Inspect the barrier bag and foam to make sure they are dry. If the bag is dry, cut the bag just below the seal. Rolling the bag down over the container may make the process easier. Retain the information cards supplied in your shipment. They will be discussed in a different video. Litmus strips are placed on top of the foam insert and bubbler stem to give an early detection of a potential breach of the container. This is what a litmus strip looks like. If there was a breach, please contact the emergency response number on the safety data sheet. Remove the top foam insert by lifting straight up and out of the can. Inspect the bubbler through the polyethylene bag for any wetness. Please note that POCl is 1.67 times the weight of water, so this bubbler will be heavier than it looks. Lift the bubbler out of the can by grasping the top 2 corners of the barrier bag and pull straight up. You may need to restrain the bottom foam packing material to make it easier. Set the bubbler down in a secondary container inside the fume hood and perform a final inspection before removing the barrier bag. We are not using a fume hood for this demo. If the bubbler appears to be in good order, cut the bag just under the seal and slide the bag down over the unit. Lift the container by the sides, not the valves, and set it into a containment unit suitable for transporting the bubbler to the point of use. It is important that you keep all of the shipping components for return shipment. In addition to this video, we have 5 more videos in this series to familiarize you with the safe handling of our POCl quartz bubbler. What is POCl? An overview of the product. Functions of the valves on the POCl quartz bubbler. POCl bubbler installation. Removing the POCl bubbler from your system. Repacking the POCl bubbler for return shipment. If you would like to learn more about our POCl offering or other offerings for the photovoltaics or semiconductor industries, please visit our website.